Okay, we're ready for E, exam, final exam review E. Here we go. The heading M108. Okay, spring 21 final exam review. This should be E. We're up to problem 24, another reference, because we've done something like this. You get a table, just want to show you a little bit about it. You get a table, it's got names of people probably, or things, people, usually. So actually this time, for some reason, I decided to show you, I could give some names here, but really short ones. Al, it's got 1113, or whatever he's got there. Then there's Bob. Instead of A, I got Al. Instead of B, I got Bob. He's got 1312. Whatever it is, it doesn't really matter. Let's say they're doctors seeing patients, whatever, it doesn't matter. During a year or whatever it is. And then Carol, C would be made Carol, and whatever would be another number, 793, and it just keeps going with the information until it stops, right? Okay. So then it says that it asks you for certain sets of this person or that person, and it gives you a list on the side. It'll have a picture, and it wants sets, and you certain sets, and you pick from Alex will give you that Al's got it. You click on Al if you need Al, click on Bob if you need Bob, click on Carol if you need Carol, and put them into the sets. Okay, essentially we've done something like this. C or go to. I've been writing go to. Let's keep it go to. Exam 0. Review F. And problem number 20. Problem 20. Okay, that's 24. Okay, I want to pick up the paper early. Go to 25. Here we go. Number 25. This one is just easier just to do with you, whether we had it before or not. 25A. Let's say you have 0.7 and they want you to turn it into percent. They want us to turn it into percent. Okay, well, the answer is move it over 2 places, and that 0.7 becomes 70 because the gap opens up. You fill it with a 0, and then you tack on a percent sign, and there's our answer. Okay, B, nothing complicated about B either. They take 43.2%, 43.2%, and they want us to change it into decimal. So here comes our answer. They want a decimal. Fine. We move this over 2 places to the left. It becomes 0.432. And that's the answer for 25B, problem over. How about 26? Also, pretty short question. Let's just do it together, even though we've done stuff like this before. Let's say you got a bucket. Inside the bucket is 10 brown ants. Okay, fine. 10 brown ants. And how many? And 9 red ants. Okay, they chose that as an example. No problem. We're supposed to choose 9. That's the name of the game here. Choose 9 of them. You're allowed to choose 9 of them, or you just must choose 9 of them, whatever. And here comes the question. What's the probability of getting 5 brown, and 4 red? Right? You choose 9. 5 and 4 is 9. So what's the probability of those 2 things happening to you? Okay, here's the answer. I'm not going to work out all the numbers, but let's go through. This is we don't care which of the brown ant number 1 or brown ant number 2, if it comes first or second, we don't care. So the order is not important. So it's a combination. What is our sample space? All the things that are possible to happen. Well, there's a total of how many ants? 10 plus 9. There's 19 ants. How many are we choosing? 9. So these are the total possibilities, the total sample space in the denominator. What are we interested in? We are interested in combination. Well, how many brown ants do we want? How many are there first? There's 10 brown ants. How many do we want to pick? We're interested in 5 of them. Okay, let's go to the red ants. How many red ants are there? 9. How many are we interested in? 4 of them. Both are combinations because order is not important. What do I put in between these two? Multiplication. You go use the calculator and go and remember the formula for C. There's no getting away with getting out through the test without it. The formula for CNR is n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. We've had it so many times. Anyway, go to the calculator, do the calculations yourself, and do the multiplication, the division, and that problem is done. 26 is over. Let's move on. Okay, new piece of paper. Let's go to problem number 27. All right, this is going to be a reference question. I have a place to refer you to. Let's give you just an idea of what they're asking. They're going to ask they're asking for some cardinalities of some sets. Cardinality is the number of elements in the set. I'm going to refer you to a problem in a second, which will explain all that in case you're rusty on it. Then you'll have some phrases like G is an element of A, and they'll be asking true or false. Okay, etc. So you'll have more than one of them as part of the question. What should you do? You go to see a problem like this, go to Exam 0, Review A, Problem number 3. That's where to go to see a problem like this. Okay, coordinate off. Let's go to problem number 28, which let's just do it together. Problem number 28. It's a short one. Okay, some item the price is $35 price. But there's a sale for 40% off the price. Okay, they're going to put on sale 40% off the price. How much is the discount from the price? How much is the discount? How much is the discount off the price or from the price? Question mark. So we got to find the discount. Well, it's going to be 40% of the price. What does 40% turn into in decimal? Move the 2 places to the left, it becomes 0.4. So take 0.4 times 35, times the 35, you're going to get 14. 0.4 times 35 is going to turn out to be 14. Take your calculator or do it by hand. And that's the discount off the price. From the price or off the price is $14. There it is. There's your discount. What is the new price? 35 minus 14, which is 21. But they didn't ask for the new price. They did not ask for the new price. The answer would be 21. They asked for what the discount would be. Well, it's $14. Okay, let's move the paper up. Good. Cordon this off. And move on to 29. 29 is a mode question. To go see information about mode. Besides the videos that we did in class, you can go see, but go to see a problem involving mode. We actually saw this one before because it has mean in there too. But anyway, go to exam 3. So we've already referred to this, a problem. Review D. Problem number 8. I'm pretty sure we already referred to this problem. Doesn't matter. There it is. Okay, here comes problem number 30, which let's actually do. It's not too long. Data. We're going to get 12. We're going to get actually just 9 items of data, of 9 data items. Here they are. 9 numbers. 4, 10, and 3. Then the next are 12, 3, and 10. Raw data. Not organized. Not in ascending order or anything like that. Raw data. 12, 3, and 10. 59 and 11. 59 and 11. They may have the send it to the calculator and the sort button on the calculator. They may give it to you, they may not, but this is a pretty straightforward question, whether they give it to you or not. How many belong in the 2 to 7 category? How many belong in the 8 to 13 category? And finally, how many belong in the 14 to 19 category? Okay, 2 to 7. Well, this 3 is between 2 and 7. 3. So is the 4. That's 2 of them. So is another 3. That's 3 of them. And that's it. That's between 2 and 7. Okay. So now, as follows. What about 12, 3, and... I'm sorry, between 8 and 13. Between 8 and 13. How many are them? You count them up. You'll see there are 5 of them. Let me get rid of this. Get it out of the way. Okay. And then, besides that, how many are between 14 and 19? Well, there's only one, actually. 15. So let's add these up. 3 and 5 is 8, and 1 is 9. There's a total of 9 here, so it's working out. As far as I can tell, it's working out. So these all should be correct. So our answers are right over here. And this problem, number 30, is done. Let's now move to problem number 31. We need a new piece of paper. It's actually a long problem, and it's a new problem. I've got to explain this one, hopefully pretty well. Okay, here comes problem number 31. I'm hoping I have enough time on the video. I'm pretty sure I do. 31. Okay, 52. 55. 55. 57. Oh, I think they're nice enough to put it in ascending order in this case. Can't guarantee that, but that's what it looks like. 58, 59, 60, 62, 65, 66, 92. Now, we haven't seen this before. I have to explain this. Here's the question. Identify the outliers. Okay, so I have to explain exactly how you do that. All right, so step 1. Here are the steps to do this. Step 1, find the median. Find the median of this data. Well, how many data items are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it's going to be smack in the middle, number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The median, here it is. It's 59. Okay, now, here's a word you haven't seen before. Identify the quartile 1. No, I don't have enough time for this. Can't take any chances. It won't work. We'll have to do this all over again on the next video. Sorry about that.